Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
Joint cracking happens when gas bubbles in the joint fluid pop, creating that popping sound. People with more flexible joints or looser connective tissues tend to crack more often because bubbles form and release more easily. Factors like joint structure, habitual movements, and age also play a role. It's usually harmless unless there's pain or swelling.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.